Hello, friends. Welcome back to English Birds, the place where learning English becomes fun, practical, and life changing. If you want to improve your English and grow every day, you are in the right place. Imagine this: you wake up tomorrow, and for the next 7 days, you are not allowed to use your native language. No texting friends in your mother tongue, no scrolling social media in it, no movies, no songs, only English. Scary, exciting, maybe both. But here is the truth: this 1 week can transform your English more than months of casual practice. Welcome to the English Immersion Challenge, 7 days without your native language. When babies learn a language, they don't memorize grammar rules first. They listen, they imitate, they make mistakes, and they adapt. That's immersion. And as adults, we forget that the fastest way to learn is to surround ourselves with the language we want to master. Before we dive into the daily plan, let's set some ground rules. No native language allowed, texting, speaking, social media, even notes to yourself. Switch your devices, phone, laptop, apps, set them to English. Surround yourself with input, podcast, videos, shows, news, all in English. Output daily. Writing, speaking, even talking to yourself counts. Don't fear mistakes. The goal is not perfection, it's transformation. Now let's break down the 7 days step by step. Day 1: Shock the system. Today is the hardest. Suddenly, your brain wants the comfort of your native tongue. Fight it. Start by journaling your morning in English. Watch or listen to simple English content, cartoons, short YouTube videos, kids' shows. Keep it light but consistent. Day 2: Speak to survive. Talk to yourself in English as you cook, walk, or get ready. Narrate your actions. I am boiling water. I am putting on my shoes. It feels silly, but it forces your brain to build English thought patterns. Day 3: Input explosion. Consume as much English as possible today. A video with English subtitles, a podcast on your favorite topic, or even something else. Write down 5 to 10 new words you notice, but don't just memorize. Use them while making sentences. Day 4: Output Challenge. Time to test yourself. Record a 2-minute voice note in English about your day, or call a friend who speaks English. If you don't have one, pretend you are explaining your day to an imaginary audience. The goal: get comfortable speaking. Day 5: Think in English. This is the game changer. Every time you catch yourself translating in your head, stop. Instead of asking, "How do I say this in English?" force your brain to think directly in English. Mistakes are fine, fluency comes faster this way. Day 6: Deep Dive. Pick one topic you love: football, cooking, history, self growth, and explore it entirely in English today. Watch videos, read articles, write your thoughts, all in English. Connecting English with your passions makes learning stick. Day 7: Reflection Day. Now you have lived a week inside English. Today, write a 1 page reflection in English about your experience. What was hardest? What you enjoyed? What improved? This reflection seals the progress and shows you how far you have come. By the end of this 7 day immersion, you won't be perfect, you will be different. You will notice words flowing without hesitation, your ears catching phrases you used to miss, your confidence rising, and if you can survive 7 days without your native language, imagine what 30 days could do. So, are you ready to take the challenge? 7 days, one language, one transformation. Let English become not just something you study, but something you live. Remember, fluency is not built in theory, it's built in immersion, and your journey starts now.